just our audience and patients and different kinds of situations that you all are dealing with, but also to our experts as well. So there are four things that Yellow Scotch primarily does. We are trying to, I mean, even before the things that we do for programs specifically, what we are trying to do here is we are a startup. We are a small little startup. What we are trying to do is we are trying to solve the biggest health challenge or the biggest health problem that we are having in current times. Now, what is that? The problem is when we are looking, when we are diseased, when we are having any kind of a trouble, we immediately go to allopathic treatment and immediately go to some doctor or the other. And the problem with allopathic treatment is that there are super specialists who look at different organs in silos. All of the conditions that you have mentioned, all of you, please, those who have not responded to the poll, make sure that you do so. All of you, whether it is digestive disorders or weight challenges or hormonal imbalances, जो आप सब लोगों ने पोल में respond किया है, these challenges are interconnected. A nephrologist cannot solve a kidney issue until unless it is physical in nature, some kind of a blockage. Mental health challenge is very severely related to digestive health. We will discuss about those things also. So the biggest, what we are trying to do is different chronic conditions which exist in today's modern day and age. We are trying to identify different solutions from different kinds of therapies and different kinds of modalities and bring out the best doctors which are available, not just in the country, but across the world in several cases, and bring them into a common platform so that it becomes much more accessible to all of you guys. These all the programs that we do, they are all easily done from the convenience of home through internet. Everyone is connected through internet, so this is the thing that we are trying to do. We are trying to, we have different programs. We do have an autism program, for example, and we do have a diabetes specific program. We do have this wonderful, beautiful gut cleanse and rejuvenation, gut microbiome resetting kind of a program. So there are different programs that we do for different kinds of problems that people face. So there are four things that we do to make it effective. A, we have a 16-point check to bring out the best therapies and the best doctors, and those to ensure that there is high degree of efficacy. So we make sure we have several interviews that we conduct, and many respondents or many participants we talk to, and so on. So all of those things we do. Second, we help structure the program in such a manner so that it is at one point comprehensive, and at the other point it is deeply personalized. So every single participant, they have personalized attention the way these programs are structured. The third thing that we do is we make it accessible and affordable, and we make sure that in case of any escalation or any challenges, any troubles, to maintain your wonderful, wonderful experience, you can come back to us and we will help you resolve those challenges. And finally, information dissemination. We make sure that you are best aware of important things such as leaky gut syndrome, for instance, and several other things. About the program, you are well informed. So we conduct these webinars and we give you a lot of information through our WhatsApp groups, and we also make phone calls in case you need them, and so on. So all of this is there. Now, what I want to do next is I want to throw out this poll to you guys, and I want you guys to see what is happening. Now, these are the modern challenges that we are facing. Now, there are several of the people who have participated in our programs who face exactly similar challenges. I want to share their experiences with you and begin the session.
बेसिकली मैंने ज्वाइन किया था, मेरे 5-7 ऑटोइम्यून डिजीजेज है, दे वर कीपिंग ऑन प्रोग्रेसिंग. एक तो थायराइड, विटिलिगो, ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस, आईबीपी था, मुझे अस्थमा आ गया था, वेरिकोज वेन्स, यू नेम इट, टू मैनी. और व्हेन आई जॉइंड, मैं इतनी थी, आई डिड 30 years का, आई हैड एन एडिक्शन ऑफ बेड टी. यू मेड मी लीव दैट बेड टी बेसिकली एंड मिल्क टी. I got down to green juices and green tea first thing in the morning, which I thought I would never be able to do. And within 10 days of doing this, my knee pain and my knee stiffness really vanished. I was very, very surprised. I shared it with you also, and I hadn't cheated even a bit. What all you had said, I had been following. So that was the biggest change I have felt. And my skin has become clearer, my sleep is better, I'm more calmer, my stress levels are better, I'm a happier person.
what to eat was my biggest confusion. And I think you changed it completely by saying, eat everything but don't eat this. The entire diet plan that you said was very easy to follow irrespective of where we are. Because like many diet plans, it was not about what to eat. It was about what to avoid. So her diet plan jo hai, is about eat this, eat this, eat this. But yours was just ensure you don't eat this and this. The session that I entered, which is your webinar, the first thing which you said, gut health is equal to mental health and vice versa. I think that stuck to me. The reason why I enrolled was that. Because what I had realized was every time I was stressed, I had a digestive upset, I had constipation, and my psoriasis would go up. So it was like one vicious cycle that I was going through. So I would wonder, why is mind got to do with the gut? And why is it that I'm not passing stools when I have this issue? So what I realized after this session, I think the biggest difference I saw was in my mental health. In terms of clarity, no depression, no temper tantrums, no constipation. I was on laxative every day. Whether it was a Triphala tablet or castor oil, I reached a stage of castor oil every day. I never passed food first thing in the morning on my own. But now in the last 3 weeks, touch wood, I have not taken even one laxative.
First of all, you have to learn how to listen to your body. And this program actually tells you and wakes you up that all this time we have taken our body for granted. We have stopped respecting our body. And this program definitely helps you understand every inch of it, with what food you eat, how much you eat, where you should eat, what you should eat. And it not only teaches you, but it actually instigates your palate. We are so used to eat, work, sleep, a routine, monotonous way of living life. But when I started understanding the don'ts very correctly, so the do's were very easily available and I could really play very creatively with food. My first week with you was because I had decided that I'm going to go without any prejudice in mind with 100% commitment. So I did it like first 6-7 days were a little dicey कि मैं आज के बढ़ने वाली हूँ कि क्या करने वाली हूँ. But the 10th day had a lot of change in my mind. I became more calmer, less anxious, and I started understanding that there is definitely some kind of change which is happening in my well-being.
Great.
It was showing so drastically on my body, but there was some change in my well-being, my routine life, and I started becoming a little happier and energetic. And that's where it all started, that abhi to so great.
Like going through a lot of troubles in my, lot of autoimmune problems and my gut problems, and there are so many problems that I was facing because of this autoimmune. There are new things that are coming up in my body. The way you take up this program is like, I am a different person. I have different kind of taste and different kind of, my physiology is different. Everything is different. In the same way she has different, others are different. So every food will not act the same way in my body. The way it acts in my body will not act the same way in Annie's body. So the way you take up this program and, mentoring people one by one, that's awesome actually. I got to know, other than thyroid, I actually have Hashimoto, because of which all these symptoms are coming up. And then I went into I Googled some stuff regarding these symptoms. And then I found, like, as even you told in one of our session, that after one disease, after maybe first few years down the line, you will get into another disease.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to stop this completely. I want to get rid of this Hashimoto, thyroid, whatever it is. I can do anything for that. So that's what the symptoms. I was like, because I'm a software engineer, if my brain doesn't work, I cannot do my job itself. So
I can't imagine.
So now I see drastic improvement in all these things, honestly. Generally, I have felt this 3 weeks is kind of a miracle for me, to be honest. And I really thank you.
So the point that we are trying to make here is there are several conditions that this particular program and approach can help you deal with. As we see from people who have voted, half of you have voted basically, and mostly we are talking about digestive disorders. A lot of you are talking about weight challenges and joint pains and more. But all of these things are something which you could relate to from what the people spoke about. Now, before I introduce Dr. Preeti, there's just one small little thing. I want to introduce functional medicine as an approach. We are talking about functional medicine. It is not Ayurveda. It is definitely not a diet plan. It is not homeopathy. It is not allopathy. None of that is there. Now, functional medicine is a beautiful approach. Why? Because it goes towards root cause analysis. And why it is able to go towards root cause analysis? It is so because that functional medicine is one approach which looks at biochemistry of how our body functions. Every organ is triggered by hormones and enzymes, and everything is interconnected to each other. So it goes, I mean, for those of you who are in management, so it can ask that 5 whys, or it can draw a fishbone diagram of sorts, and it can do that root cause analysis and come back to the single unilateral root cause because of connections between that biochemistry. तो उसी चीजों को approach को लेकर, and that is how you are able to solve the root cause and thereby all the conditions which emanate. So this is what functional medicine in very layman terms is. And Dr. Preeti Nanda is one of the best examples of functional medicine doctors that we have in our country. Unfortunately, this particular stream is not taught in India so much. So there are these colleges who teach functional medicine are available only in the West. Dr. Preeti is one of the students of a prestigious US institution. She is also an MBBS, and she is a person who has written several books for people's benefit. She is running a lot of programs. This is one of them, and she is very diversified. She has worked with more than 3,000 patients for different conditions, ranging from IBS to autoimmune conditions, and you name it, and she has worked on it. So just to give you a little bit of a glimpse from autoimmune conditions to detox. So with this enough said, I would want Dr. Preeti to come over and take over and guide all of us about what leaky gut syndrome is, what elimination diet is, what functional medicine is, and what are people facing today. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ayush, for a lovely introduction and for explaining functional medicine as the science. Today morning, a doctor colleague of mine called me, a rheumatologist, for her husband's diabetes reversal. And she asked me to explain functional medicine to her. And the answer I gave was, this is future medicine. The way our lifestyles have changed, right? हमने जैसे पहले, I remember जब हम kids थे या even colleges में थे, we were not used to ACs all the time, right? But now AC is a part of our life, and we can't imagine our rooms without AC, or our office without AC, or our car without an AC. Similarly, in healthcare, जब एलोपैथी डिजाइन हुआ था या साइंस रिसर्च हुई थी, उस टाइम पे we had patients who had infectious diseases. हमें अपनी एजुकेशन के टाइम पे we never used to find patients with autism or polycystic ovarian syndrome so much. Type 1 diabetes इतना नहीं होता था तब. But जैसे जैसे हमारा लाइफस्टाइल पिछले 25-30 years में काफी चेंज हुआ है significantly, similarly the diseases we are suffering with have changed. A lot of autoimmunity, lot of gut health, lot of mental health conditions have come up. And therefore the science also has to evolve. तो 5 साल पहले जब मुझे functional medicine का नहीं पता था, I was heading VLCC Pan India, I used to ask myself, यार diseases इतनी change हो गई हैं, lifestyle इतना change हो गया है, technology इतनी change हो गई है, क्या हम healthcare में इतने obsolete रह गए हैं कि हम कुछ change ही नहीं करेंगे? And I'm sure आप लोगों में भी बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में, you would be thinking this question, कि what am I getting from allopathy right now? Many diseases are so much different than what they are treating. And as it happens, when you start thinking, you find solutions. And when I started thinking like this, I was traveling to US and I came to know that American Academy of Anti-Aging, does this course of functional medicine, which is a complete fellowship of 3 years. And I enrolled myself in. And I promise you, friends, the amount I had to study in these 3 years was more than what I had to study in my MBBS days. तो डिस्पाइट बीइंग एन एलोपैथिक डॉक्टर ये बहुत इजी नहीं था, क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी इतनी खूबसूरत मशीन है ना कि मैनकाइंड तो आई डोंट थिंक ऐसी मशीन कभी बना सकता है या बना पाएगा. इट इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. द ओनली ट्रेजेडी इज कि हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू ओन अ कार हियर? इफ यू कैन गिव मी इन द चैट बॉक्स इफ यू ओन अ कार. आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों के पास कार है घर में? Yeah, just give me a Y, capital Y for yes if you have a car in your house. And friends, it is very important कि आप टाइम निकाल के आए हो यहाँ पर, तो आप रिप्लाई करो, रिस्पॉन्ड करो, because one is your response which will give me energy and I will share more and more with you. But second चीज जो important है is when you move your fingers, your mind becomes active enough to grasp more. And आप यहाँ time निकाल के आए हो तो I'm sure you've come to gain something, right? Not to pass your time. Perfect. So I have 56 answers with a yes. And we are 204 people. So does that mean that remaining 150 people do not own a car? So friends, let's be quick. I want all 2007 answers because I know almost everyone who is joined here has a car in the house. Perfect. So I like the energy we are building. We are 86 answers now out of 204. So now all of you who have a car, how often do you get the servicing done? Just think. Do you drive a car which has not been serviced for 3-5 years? Do you drive a car like that? No one will, right? If our car is, just standing in our house for 3 years, we have gone to US or some other place and we come back, the first thing we will do is send the car to the service station for servicing. Right? तो हम उस 10 लाख की चीज की इतनी फिक्र करते हैं कि हम उसको बिना सर्विस के नहीं चलाते हैं, है ना? पर this amazing body we've been gifted with, which is more than $1 billion, I'm sure. Now, how often do we get servicing of our body done? I think a lot is to blame, the blame I want to take, because I think as doctors, we also don't tell you कि servicing करानी कैसे है properly. But a lot of us who even know, हम postpone करते रहते हैं अपनी servicing. At least I used to postpone. And it has taken me this long 5 years to get into the habit of regular servicing of my body every 4 months or 6 months. So just stay with the thought for once and ask yourself, वो गाड़ी अगर इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है तो आपकी बॉडी कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड आपके लिए क्या वैल्यू है एक हैप्पी हेल्दी लाइट फील करके रिलैक्स्ड लाइफ जीने की. What is the number you will put there in terms of time, money, resource you want to invest in that? So with this, I will want to share with you something which I think all of us today should know about gut health. Please, I'm very, very open to questions, and I feel there is no question which is stupid question. The more you ask, the more everybody will learn, right? So welcome aboard, and I'm very sure you will go back wiser and more informed. Perfect. So I will just share my screen with you and we will start. Just give me a minute. Yes. So are you guys ready to reset your gut? You know, very interestingly, all chronic diseases, including autism, schizophrenia, ADHD, multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, PCOS, diabetes, obesity, cardiovascular diseases, joint pains and all, allergic disorders, everything starts from the gut. And okay, I have a question again for all of you. आप में से कितने लोग सोचते हैं कि we have made our gut a gutter? And it just popped up in my mind right now. This is not a planned question, but somehow I think we all somewhere in the last 25, 30 years, since we have started following West even more than what we were doing before, we have made our gut into a gutter. And if we have made our gut into a gutter, what is happening? We are smelling, we are farting, we are bloated, we are sick, we are fatigued, we are tired. Our mobility of intestinal mobility is slowed down. So can you visualize this? Can you visualize your gut, which is a 27-meter long tube inside your body? 27 meter. It can cover your whole basketball court with not a drop which is visible to you. And if you have made it a gutter, तो क्या visualize हो रहा है आपको? I don't know how it came, but I can actually visualize actually a gutter instead of a gut in my body. And then I know why I'm having all those symptoms, right? So let's talk a little more about gut. The first thing I learned was, so I think all of you know, as doctors, we are not taught nutrition in our medical colleges. आप में से कितने लोगों को पता है कि डॉक्टर्स को न्यूट्रिशन नहीं पढ़ाया जाता? How many of you know, yes, that doctors are not taught nutrition? You know what? So one of my family relatives suffered from vitiligo. And this I'm telling you, this is a story 30 years old. Okay, I was doing my internship that time. Now this patient was a very, very close relative of mine. And I took her to the HOD dermatology department. So after the consultation, the patient asked the doctor, Doc, क्या मैं white चीजें खा सकती हूँ? Because I have heard that in vitiligo, we should avoid all white food items, right? The doctor told the patient, you can eat everything. The moment the patient walked out, right, my very, very close relative, sir told me, Preeti, you've become a doctor not to tell people what to eat and what not to eat. You've become a doctor to give them medicines to stop their symptoms so that they can keep eating what they want to eat. I was very young then, right? I did not understand it. But over the years, what happened, I think I made my gut a gutter. Coming from a Punjabi family, you know, we are all foodies. We like fried food. We like sweets. And so पंजाबियों में दो ही काम होते हैं मुझे ऐसा लगता है. And I hope some of you are Punjabis here who would relate to this, right? Whenever they are sitting together, they think about two things. खाएं क्या और भार घटाएं कैसे. ठीक है, so I also belong to that group. And for I think long 25 years, I had lots of diseases, constipation, bloating, acidity, lot of acidity, migraine headaches, osteoporosis, fibroids, cervical, you name a disease, and I think hypothyroid, diabetes, and I had it, right? But I never moved towards food because I was very young and impressionable and had just become a doctor when I was told this very, very strongly. कि ये नहीं करना है. But the type of miracles I see happening today in my practice is so awesome, I cannot tell you. And they are not short of miracles. You have just heard very few stories. I see patients of psoriasis, diabetes, autism just coming out clear and leading normal lives. And what did I learn in these last 5 years? I learned that just eating healthy food is tip of the iceberg. हम में से कितने लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि हम healthy खाना खाएं? How many of us do try? अगर कोई भी market में new fad आता है that this is healthy, we generally spend on it, you know, invest money, resource, time on it and try it. Yes or no? I'm waiting for your answers. Yes, but is that enough? No. Why? Because हम जो खाते हैं वो तो सिर्फ start है journey का. And this is our whole digestive system which you see in the image. Right? खाने के बाद वो digest हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है? वो absorb हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है small intestine में? और वो properly excrete हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है? कि अंदर ही पड़ा हुआ बदबू मार रहा है, ferment हो रहा है और बाद में हमें autoimmunity, cancer, mental health issues cause करा रहा है. We all need to think about it. So मुझे नहीं पता था इतना कुछ सोचना है. But now when I know, I really want to share it with you. So let's talk about digestion. And I will take 2 more minutes on this slide because this is very critical. Digestion starts even before we have put food in our mouth. We all know that, right? But what we don't know is कि हमारे stomach का जो pH होता है वो 1 से 3 होना चाहिए. It has to be acidic. And for it to be acidic, हमारी body acid release करती है HCl. HCl test करने के लिए we have a test. Mannitol and lactulose test. And mannitol gets absorbed more easily than lactulose. And we see the excreting times of both and then figure out acid release हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा. Now this test is a little complicated. So what we do is in our practice clinically, we give you acid and see whether it makes you feel better or it makes you feel worse. If it makes you feel better, then we make sure that we make enough, give you from outside enough acid so that the pH maintained is 1 to 3. Q. Because if your pH is more than 1 to 3, digestion will not happen. Especially proteins will not be digested properly. You will feel bloated immediately after eating food. सो अगर आपको बिल्कुल खाने के इमीडिएटली बाद पेट फूल जाता है, आपका मन करता है कि आप अपनी ट्राउजर या लोअर को लूज कर लो, that means you are making less acid. And what is the reason for less acid? Most common reason is stress. And second is age. So आप में से कितने लोग स्ट्रेस में रहते हो? If you have seen stress, experienced stress, give me a S in the chat box. Capital S in the chat box. Yes, so what has happened? हम स्ट्रेस में रहते हैं तो च्यू नहीं ठीक से करते और उसके बाद हमारा स्टमक बचा खुचा काम कर देता है एंड हमारा फूड डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता. जब अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में जाता है तो ये सिंगल लेयर ऑफ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में होल्स कर देता है. इन होल्स से बैक्टीरिया एंड टॉक्सिन्स हमारे ब्लड स्ट्रीम में निकल जाते हैं एंड फूड सही से एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होता. इसीलिए हमारा विटामिन B12 कम हो जाता है, मैग्नीशियम कम हो जाता है, जिंक कम हो जाता है. हम लोगों ने कभी मतलब आई थिंक 3-4-5 साल पहले तक वी हैड नेवर सप्लीमेंटेड विद मैग्नीशियम, जिंक एंड ऑल. बट अभी कोविड में आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस टुक जिंक फॉर सम टाइम. यस, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर गेटिंग डेफिशिएंट इन दीज इंपॉर्टेंट मिनरल्स एंड vitamins. And what is the reason? Improper digestion and leaky gut. And then what happens? हमारी क्योंकि digested food नहीं है तो वो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में जाके फर्मेंट होने लग जाता है. अब अगर पानी में काई लग जाएगी तो क्या वो बहता है ठीक से? नहीं. और बहते पानी में क्या काई लगती है? नहीं. So if this becomes stagnant, what happens? The fungus, the bad bacteria, the parasites, they grow. And when they grow, they further make holes in the small intestine and increases leaky gut. And because of this, all our symptoms keep on increasing. And over the years, if we don't heal our leaky gut, and there is a test to check if you have a leaky gut or not, which is called zonulin, ZONULIN. And now, when that happens, then you have autoimmunity, you gain weight, you become diabetic, you have hormonal imbalances, you have mental health issues, you have cancer. So क्या हुआ? छोटी सी चिंगारी ने आग लगा दी पूरी, right? Our whole body becomes inflamed. And now the next irony happens. Do you want to know what that is? Through the medicines we follow or the way we treat our bodies, हम उस आग के जो गर्मी होती है उसको ही बर्फ लगा के ठंडा करते रहते हैं. But we do not try to find the cause of that fire. लगी कहाँ आग, क्यों लगी? और हेल्थ खराब होती जाती है एंड फाइनली इतनी खराब हो जाती है that we get admitted in a hospital and our relatives, our children, our friends tell the doctor, डॉक्टर साहब प्लीज बचा लो, जितना पैसा लगना है, जितनी मुश्किल होनी है मैं झेल लूंगी या झेल लूंगा, प्लीज सेव माय loved ones. Yes or no? है ना? But if we can spend a little time, effort and money in finding the cause, that situation might not happen, or even if it happens, it will happen 10-20 years later. Choice तो हमारी है, decisions भी हमारे हैं. This is leaky gut. So this is a single layered thing, and ये bacteria and toxins जब बाहर जाने लगते हैं, they enter the bloodstream. That is where autoimmunity starts happening, which means that our immune system starts thinking somebody has come from outside and becomes hyperactive and अपने ही cells को मारने लग जाता है. For example, Hashimoto's thyroiditis. If you have Hashimoto's thyroiditis, if you don't heal your leaky gut and your gut completely, you will never be able to get your thyroid antibodies down. And I have had patients with thyroid antibodies of 3,000 coming down to 50, 60 in a matter of 6 months or 1 year, which is phenomenal, right? So I think leaky gut is the curse of modern times, and we all need to know about it so that we can work on it. I think ये अब कोई राज नहीं रह गया है. कईयों को knowledge है, and some people experience it. Whenever their gut is not healthy, they feel depressed, they feel low, they feel lack of energy, they feel, like crying, not feeling well. And others know it just by knowledge. Very interestingly, now this is 7th program I'm doing with Ayush and Nidhi. And thank you, Ayush and Nidhi, for creating this for all of us. But before that, I did 4 groups on my own. So this is actually my 11th group in this financial year, starting from 1st of April. And I realized that anxiety for people who joined this group changed like this. After 3 months, I have patients coming back to me saying, "Ma'am, पहले भागा नहीं जाता था, इतनी एंजाइटी होती थी, बॉडी एक्स होती थी, and अब तो बस कुछ होता ही नहीं है. After I keep running, I can run. I'm planning to go for a marathon." And I still remember another patient who said, "Ma'am, ऐसा लगता है आपने छूमंतर कर दिया, and my everything vanished." And what did we do? We just stopped irritating the gut. And gut को जैसे irritate करना बंद किया, gut शांत हो गया. और gut शांत हो गया तो no anxiety, no depression, all is well, all is well. So let's see what happens अगर poor gut health होता है तो. Digestive health goes for a toss. We have metabolic health issues, we have weight issues, we have bloating, fatty liver, constipation, metabolism, indigestion, and much more. If you don't take care of that, allergies happen, sinusitis, asthma, eczema, food intolerances. And you would have seen, we start with 1 or 2 or 3 foods which we are intolerant to. And over the years, the list keeps on increasing. And the list of foods we can eat keeps on decreasing, right? Body pains and aches, headaches, bronchitis, dyspnea, hormonal imbalance, diabetes, thyroid, insulin, PCOS, adrenal fatigue, where we keep getting tired every 2 hours. We want to cry at every challenge which comes in front of us. We, don't want to tackle new challenges. We get irritated. We don't work in teams properly. Premenstrual symptoms, testosterone imbalance, and much more. Stage 4. If all this happens and we still don't, start acting, autoimmunity, irritable bowel syndrome, lupus, Hashimoto's, Crohn's, celiac, IBS, vitiligo, psoriasis, urticaria, ankylosing spondylitis, multiple sclerosis, and much more. And this is not all, friends. Unfortunately, a lot of us land up with cancer at a later stage. So what is it that I am proposing, you guys to start? So before I tell you the solution, how many of you can relate to what we have spoken till now? कितने लोग relate कर पा रहे हैं और कितने लोगों को ये लगता है कि हाँ मुझे आज कुछ नया पता चला? Please give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you can relate and you think you've learned one new thing today till now. Thank you. Because, awareness is the key. अगर आपको पता चल जाएगा, आप solution तो manifest कर ही लोगे आज या कल. But till the time you don't know, you will not be able to manifest because आपको पता ही नहीं है manifest करना क्या. Right? So now let's see the solution. I am saying, to start your journey, identify the dead rat. Now, a lot of you would ask me, which test we have to do to identify the dead rat? And I'm very sorry to say, there is no test which you can do to identify the dead rat. You have to do what I'm going to tell you to do, which is called elimination diet. Because till now, no test is so personalized कि वो हर patient का अलग अलग आपको बता पाए. So there is no shortcut. I'm sure no lady has ever told the doctor, can I have the baby in 5 months? I don't want to hold the baby for 9 months. And, has any woman or has anybody's wife gone to the doctor to request a delivery in 5 months? किसी ने किया है ये क्या ये? नहीं ना? Because some things have to happen for a certain duration to give you the optimum result, right? And the minimum duration we need to identify the dead rat is 1 month. And what is I'm saying? Minimum, right? So let's see what it means. So dead rat ढूंढने के लिए there is this process called elimination diet. Once we follow this elimination diet, it reduces inflammation. It supports healthy microbiome. In this, we go dairy-free, gluten-free, egg-free, orange-free, and quite a lot of nuts-free. When we go free of all these, what happens? We eat more vegetables. We eat food rich in phytonutrients, and that helps us detox our body. So first, what we have done, we have avoided all the irritants. Second, because of that, we have added more phytonutrients, so detoxification has improved, which reduces the toxic burden. And the good news is, there is no calorie restriction. I never tell anybody, इतनी रोटी खानी है, इतनी दाल खानी है, इतनी सब्जी खानी है. None. You eat as much as you want. The only thing we tell is what to eat and what not to eat. So I was reading a psychology book. I'm also a management professional, and beliefs in psychology are strong areas which I love, reading, which said, lot of diet plans fail because they have to, it's very complicated. If you clearly tell them ye nahi khana hai, it's very easy for them. If you tell them sugar nahi khani hai, most of you will manage. But the moment I complicate it and give you a list of 20 food items which you don't have to eat or you have to eat, then your mind says, yeah, this is not my cup of tea, main nahi kar sakta ye. So we don't do any calorie restriction. This leads to promotion in body awareness. आप अपनी body से बातें करने लगते हो. आपकी वो अपने आप से जो गुफ्तगू बंद हो चुकी है ना, that starts. You identify foods which trigger your ill health. And finally, you reduce inflammation and healthy microbiome is created. So we also track your symptoms. We measure your conditions during this period. And I think elimination diet is a beautiful, beautiful way to balance your conditions. And to support this, you all should do food label reading because that's the biggest culprit of our ill health today. And second, until you take away your stress, your gut will not heal. So it's both ways, chicken and egg situation. So we also do emotional dumping exercise, which has, I've really seen wonders with that exercise. So You can define your path towards complete cure in gut health situations. Diagnose and interpret is what we do with you. And this is how the cycle looks like. Elimination diet, we track your symptoms. Gut starts to heal. We reintroduce foods one by one. You yourself get to know which foods your gut likes and which foods your gut doesn't like. And finally, you have a conclusion, which you discuss with me. If there's a program, and if you're doing on your own, you discuss it with your own self and find out which are the foods which you have to avoid. So I think over to you, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I think, something which is very important for all of us to understand from this presentation and from this entire discussion is that there are certain things which are absolutely common to the experiences that people share, and common to the concept that which ma'am discussed, and common to the polls, whatever is reflected from the polls. 57% of you said that you are having digestive disorders. Now, this is the central pillar of the conditions that people are facing these days, and which is how the leaky gut, believe it or not, a lot of people amongst this particular group are suffering from leaky gut in varying degrees. 45% weight challenges, 38% hormonal imbalances, and overall poor health. Surprisingly, I should rather say not surprisingly, 31% of you are having mental health disorders. Now, these are important signals of what our body is trying to talk to us. Now, just coming back to how this whole program is structured to help and address all of these conditions and situations, is basically this is what we are talking about here is a very comprehensive and extremely structured 4-week long program. It's a very short and sweet program, but yet it is quite comprehensive and deeply personalized. Now, coming back to how we began, functional medicine is an approach of diagnosis and root cause understanding and analysis, which is why it is better that you do it with a functional medicine doctor. But yes, it's your choice. We told you what to do and how to do, etc. Day one, we begin on elimination diet. We tell you there is a weekly session. So all of these weeks are initialized by a session by Dr. Preeti. She described what needs to be done in this entire week. So we begin with the elimination diet. Day one, everyone's elimination diet is going to be exactly the same, by the way. Day 2, 3, and 4, you start reporting about you consume what and what happened, how your symptoms were, or whether it grew or changed, and so on. Basis that Dr. Preeti is there in a WhatsApp group in which all the participants are there, and she would keep on advising onto the personalized changes that you need to make during the week. So by the end of the week, everyone is onto their own unique personalization diets. So that is objective of week 1. Now we have stopped any kind of a thing which is irritating our gut. Now we want to heal the gut. So week 2 is about gut healing. Now this is a very important week wherein we add anti-inflammatory foods to your diet. We give you diet plans, we give you options. There are a bunch of recipes. Don't worry about any of that. So we give you a lot of options, and there are a lot of people who are helping each other anyways. So in this, for some people, there might be pre and probiotic which might get added. For some of you who are having serious conditions, we may take your consultation not towards the end, but towards the beginning, and we may start you on some kind of supplementation in week 2 itself. Week 3 is about emotional well-being. Now, this is all about gut-brain axis. So all of you are having any kind of a mental disorder, you listen to this with intent. Step 1, whether you do it on your own. Step 1 is start elimination diet. Step 2 is introduce things which will help your gut to heal further. Step 3 is work towards your mental health. Now, how we do this is we have group therapy. We have several games and stuff. We do have label reading, and we do have many other things. And there is group therapy. People open up about each other. There are breathing exercises also which are given to further aid your mental health. The idea is we improve your brain health, your mental health, and thereby your gut health further starts to improve. So these three things. Now after this, and this all of this, this aids into acceleration of your resetting of gut microbiome. Now, if you provide the right kind of an environment, gut microbiome takes 21 days to heal itself or renew itself, which is what we are doing in the first 3 weeks. Now, the 4th week is extremely important, which is when we start reintroducing whatever we have eliminated step by step in a certain specific manner. We reintroduce things into your system, and that is when we start observing in a specific way, and which is where we start. I mean, throughout we are doing that root cause analysis, but this is the pinnacle of that understanding of how your symptoms are. Now we study you for an entire week, and basis which towards the end we go for an individualized consultation. Within that consultation, Dr. Preeti sits with you 1:1 and tells you what she has found out about your body and what should be the next steps to heal you and help you come out of whatever conditions you are having. So this is the program. Now the cost of the program is 6,500 rupees only. I mean, I'm extending this not till just 60 minutes, but towards the end of the day, basically midnight tonight. So 6,500 rupees, an early bird discount for anybody and everybody who enrolls into this program. We would be able to extend further if there are more than 50 registrations. So that is what we are expecting, by the way. So 6,500 rupees till midnight. But if you get delayed, if you have whatever kind of questions and whatnot, you feel free to write to us. By the way, let me introduce another poll. We want to understand how useful this session was for you, and how keen you are to attend the program as well. So otherwise, even if you get delayed or something like that, the cost is not too much higher. It doesn't change a lot. It's just by 500 rupees if you pay by tomorrow. Keep sharing your phone numbers. Keep sharing your questions. Do share your phone numbers with us so that we know if you have any kind of queries, if you have any kind of interest in the program, you keep sharing your phone numbers with us. I will share my phone number as well. My name is Ayush. You can reach out to me at any point, anytime, etc. So my name is Ayush. My phone number is 9717 333 655. You can call me, you can do whatever, you can message me and so on. Now, keep sharing your phone numbers and keep writing your questions, please. Now, when does the program start? It is a Thursday's program. So the 4 sessions that we discussed, yes, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, we will talk about Mr. Jain or Miss Jain. So 25th of March, the program is starting, which is on a Thursday, 7 p.m. after office hours. So there would be a session and there would be a continuous connectivity with Dr. Preeti over WhatsApp group. So you can stay in touch with Dr. Preeti, who will be advising you through in and throughout as to what is right, what is wrong, and how to do it, and things like that. All of those kind of situations. Now, how do you make the payment? There are all kinds of methodologies available. Yeah, there is Google Pay or all kinds of UPI methodologies. The same phone number which I shared with you. I'll hold the screen after a little bit. So Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, and all of that, whatever you want to do, all of this, the number is same, 9717 333 655. Bank transfers or QR code related bank transfer, all of that you can do. If you want to pay through credit card or debit card, that facility is also there. You must go out to and check out the website as well at some point if you want. So you find this program, and if you want to enroll through the website, wherein we have detailed structure of how the program is and so on, then all you need to do is you have to click onto this yellow button, which is subscribe program, and you can proceed accordingly. Otherwise, the messages are there. Recording would be shared in the group as well. So all of that is there. Now we want to take your questions. I will allow you to unmute yourself. Give me a second. I'll just hold on to the screen for a little bit because a lot of people would want to take snapshots and whatnot. So thoda isko main hold karunga. I am allowing you to unmute yourself one by one. You can ask your questions, please. We'll pick up people who have their hands raised. We'll pick up questions from chat as well. And don't worry, every question would be answered.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, go on, ma'am.
Hey, good evening.
हेलो मैम.
Hello, good evening.
मैम मुझे स्किन एलर्जी है. मैं डिपॉजिट 10 पे हूँ लास्ट 10 years से. 10 that be sold?
Most probably.
Okay. एंड मैम मतलब ये जो आप कोर्स दे रहे हैं वो ऑल 4 weeks मतलब कंटिन्यू चलेगा सेम टाइम पे?
नहीं, सो 1 क्लास एवरी थर्सडे,
ओके
जिसकी आपको रिकॉर्डिंग भी मिलेगी. बाय चांस अगर आपका कोई सेशन मिस हो जाता है तो यू विल गेट अ रिकॉर्डिंग.
ओके
And rest of the time you will be connected with me on WhatsApp.
ओके
तो वो
That
आपको
will
बट
separate
फॉलो
group.
पूरे 4 weeks करना है कंटिन्यूअसली.
ओके मैम, शुद्धि क्रियाएं वगैरह भी इसमें कवर होंगी मैम?
नहीं, इसमें कट कवर होगा, डाइट कवर होगी, इमोशंस कवर होंगे, फूड लेबल रीडिंग, रेसिपीज, वो वाला पार्ट कवर होगा.
मैम कैसे हम वी आर इन फैमिली तो हम प्रॉपर ऐसे डाइट चेंज नहीं कर पाएंगे, कंप्लीट चेंजेस. तो इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर वी पीपल टू डू लाइक दैट?
Everybody does it and nobody has complained to me. As I told you, this is my 11th group.
ओके
किसी ने complain नहीं किया है because this following this diet is very easy.
Flexibility बहुत है मैम.
ओके
Flexibility बहुत है. There, it is not restrictive. It is quite accommodative. Just that certain things need to be avoided, and we'll give you a lot of suggestions and recipes. और बहुत सारे लोग experiment करते रहते हैं. In fact, your family would love it because there would be a lot of new foods and new recipes and yummy stuff to taste.
सो नाइस ऑफ
उसकी
यू.
उसकी कोई चिंता नहीं है.
ओके
It would look beautiful also, by the way. Don't worry.
थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट.
आपको थ्रू आउट बस ये गेम खेलनी है.
ओके
जो 2-3 फूड्स नहीं खाने हैं, बस उसके लिए मैं गेम सिखा दूंगी एंड दैट्स इट. एंड
ओके
यू नो या हाउ
What about coffee?
देन
What
माइन
about-
इज डन मैम.
congratulations.
What about coffee?
Good. Coffee is good. 2 weeks of coffee with some other form of milk.
Okay.
Ma'am, coffee with coconut milk is very tasty. So that is something which is nice.
And Starbucks offers it. It's just too yummy.
So
Rice.
Yeah. You will have lot of options to eat.
Do you allow non-veg food?
yes.
Yes.
The challenge for ladies, especially who are cooking and all, like if you have to make something special for yourself, you never do that. So that's a challenge.
So when you see so many ladies doing it, you do it. But what I can promise is you will not have to spend more than 10 minutes in the kitchen for yourself.
Okay.
And agar 10 minute
And do you
नहीं
need
कर
us to have
पाएंगे
any
तो-
medical test before the program?
No. In the last consultation, I might tell you for some test, but not in the beginning. Because this program is in
Okay.
itself a test.
The entire 4-week long process, ma'am, is diagnostic in itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
And one more thing, Ayush, actually, I've done this Kumbhak batch 27,
Right.
and there is a difference definitely. So will it be an addition to that, or what?
Yes,
it is?
absolutely.
Like, is it,
Absolutely,
yeah,
absolutely.
because that there is a difference in my energy levels, and I can feel it. But I really want to have this kind of a mentoring also for my.
Yes. You must do it. I mean, all the programs that we do through Yellow Scotch, they are complementary to each other. They do not interfere with each other. They have different purposes. And they complement.
Okay.
Can I ask where are you based? Which city? I mean,
So, Dr. Preeti is based out of Gurgaon, and our office is based out of Noida.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hello. I'm Aparna here. I want to ask is like the food what is eliminated, because I have a basic problem of acid reflux and gastritis. And I don't eat many of the foods, like most of the dals, pulses, and hello.
So yeah. So
Hello.
Ayush, आपने I think उमा जी का नहीं दिखाया वीडियो. And
Hello.
so this lady named Uma joined our program.
Ma'am,
very, very
just
smart
one
and
second.
intelligent doctor.
Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, just 1 second. Dr. Preeti is responding to a question. Please allow a few seconds.
So, Uma, you know, in the third week, I told her to eat curd. She was not eating curd for the last 10, 15 years. And it did not trouble her at all. And at the end, in fact, she's given in her testimonial also that the beauty of this program was I am now eating more variety of foods than I was eating before. So this is a test for you to check with everybody and, you know, with somebody guiding you. And gastritis and all, really, you will see a lot of improvement when you do this course properly.
Hello, doctor.
Hello.
Very good evening to everyone up here. Well, I had a small question and I would really appreciate if you could help me resolve the same, because I am being really struggling with it from quite a while, just tired of taking all the possible antibiotics and ointments and everything. And I have come at a stage where I wish you have some better solution in terms of diet for me. Unfortunately, where Google is also not helping me. So I hope you have some solution where it can help me out, which is that key. If you can help me with the smallest, easiest way, which through diet, which we can deal with a fungal infection.
Good question. So fungal infection is becoming very, very, very common among Indians. Very common, right? Unless you diet, but of the diet, you will have to do little more things to get rid of fungus. अब जरा फंगस चिपको होता है, एंड उसके लिए ना आपको डाइट भी गाइडेंस में ही करनी पड़ेगी. अगर अकेले करोगे ना तो यू विल फॉल बैक, बिकॉज फंगस में व्हेन वी शिफ्ट यू टू एलिमिनेशन डाइट इन द बिगिनिंग, कभी कभी यू नो बॉडी टॉक्स टू यू, and agar if somebody can explain you what the body is trying to tell, then your journey becomes easier. But I promise you, you will not have to go to any other place for fungal treatment.
I would appreciate if you could at least tell us ki what are the foods which aggravate this, which aggravate, jaise ki like
sugar,
at the moment
sugar, gluten, dairy,
Pre and probiotics,
I have started taking more intake of probiotics of late.
which is
no,
wrong.
you shouldn't till you get your fungus.
Which is very wrong.
Any gut infections, any gut problems, pre and probiotics can only aggravate it. The time when you take it, how you take it, which ones you take it. It's a full science. I think in the coming days, you will have about 1,000 types of pre and probiotics available for all of you.
Hi, doctor. I'm Raj from Bangalore.
Hi, Raj. Yes.
It's a wonderful program. Okay. I have a few queries. Okay. I am suffering from hyperthyroid from almost 1 year. Okay. I have changed my diet. I'm from past almost nearing a month. I'm doing better. Okay. The same program I've been also heard from Jeevan Health. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know, the same whatever, almost 60-70% they also covering whatever you people were discussing. Okay. My worry was, if I pay 7,500, my entire hyperthyroid you will able to consult. I know that within a month or 2 months, definitely this is not going to resolve my issues.
Yes.
Okay. Let it be 1 year also. I don't care. Okay. But definitely you people have a better knowledge. You have better vision to cure it. I really appreciate it.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
but one thing I want to have a clarity. Okay. You can take a money, not an issue, but there has to be something called a positive approach for it till the solutions happens. Let it be 1 year, 2 year, 3 year also.
yes.
Is it possible?
Yeah. So the result is possible. It might not be possible in only this much amount which you are going to pay right now. Because
then what is it about? What is the
this,
package amount? That means,
no, so it's very difficult to say right now. Once we to the
No, that's what, doctor,
plan,
that's what we learned. That's what
to
there are.
your
See, I think
connection.
So I'll extend that. There,
I'll complete. I'll complete, Avish. I'll complete.
yes,
I'll allow the doctor to speak. 1
Yeah.
minute. See, there are many people like, programs coming in. What they do is they take initial money and they forget it. Okay. What I request is you take a money on a every time consultant basis. That will be better for all of us.
No, I know your question. I'm not dodging the question. I'm giving the answer towards it. So basically, this 1 month long program is primarily aiming towards microbiome resetting. It is not aiming cure of an autoimmune condition. It is aiming identification of the root causes which help you get into an autoimmune condition. Now, towards the third session, we would explain to you what else could be done to get you out of it, etc. And we will give you that option if your experience is nice with us. Because this 1 month program in itself has a specific objective, basically. That objective is not cure of an autoimmune condition, identification of root causes of autoimmune condition. That we'll be able to identify, and we'll be able to suggest you what could be the plan for yourself towards the cure. Now, in the 4th week, after discussion with doctor, hear me out, sir, please.
I'm hearing.
So, Mr. Raj, towards the end of the 4th week, when we are setting up a consultation with Dr. Preeti, it would be between you and Dr. Preeti to decide upon whether you want to continue in that other plan or not. I mean, there would be a continuous plan for you if you so wish to do, basically. But this program
what I was requesting is,
yeah.
No, what I was requesting is, I understood the point. You understood the point is, what you're saying is very clear cut. Is the first month you pay 7,500, later we'll see. That's what you are telling me now.
No.
No.
No,
Mr. Raj,
that means
out
why
of
can't see?
everybody
What
who
I'm saying
joins,
is, I told you, no, doctor, I told you before also. I have seen so much program past, 1.5 months. Everyone is asking you pay 5,000 or pay 10,000 rupees. After that, we will review.
So,
My
Mr.
request
Raj,
was-
you can listen to me.
Yeah.
After this, you can connect with Ayush and fix your 1-to-1 independent consultation with me.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And I think that
Yeah, that will be
will
great.
provide you solution, because I understand
So nice.
you've been going
Yeah, great.
from one to another pole, but आपको कोई solution दिख नहीं रहा है.
सही है ना. That's what. See, once we burn the fingers, I have to tell you.
Yes.
I am great for it.
No.
I'm great for it.
I agree. Yes. Perfect.
Hello.
Good evening,
I'm
doctor.
Aparna
This
here.
is Nitya
Just to
here.
add on to what you said,
Yeah,
I'm
can you hear
also
me?
from Bangalore, Raj, and I will also inquired with the other program that you said. Like I'm also inquiring few places just to enroll at certain place. So if you can figure out something, we can probably enroll together. So
Yeah, I'm also from Bangalore. Actually, definitely we can be in, get them.
Hello.
Good evening, doctor. Hello.
Yes,
This
good
is
evening.
Nitya here.
Yeah. Yes,
Doctor,
Nitya.
thanks for the informative session. I just have some queries. I have this frequent headache, migraine headache and urticaria. So what I have observed is whenever I am stressed, I have this migraine headache. So can you please let me know how stress and gut health is related?
Gut health and stress are chicken and egg. And your migraine. So 70% of migraine cases arise from food allergies.
Okay.
Remaining 30% are either hormones or deficiencies.
Okay.
I had migraine and I had bad migraine. I used to suffer for 3 days in a week. Year on year. Till I found out I am allergic to lactose. I quit lactose. I settled my deficiencies and I don't have migraines anymore.
Okay.
For migraines, if you have never done an elimination diet, you have to do it. And why I'm saying you will have food sensitivities, because urticaria and migraine both as a cause take you back to food sensitivities.
Dr. Preeti?
Yes.
Doctor, like
I would
wanted
like to know,
if I'm
in
not
case
stressed.
I would like to consult you for one of my specific concern, that which is with regards to say, like I mentioned earlier, with regards to the fungal infections. So will that be possible? Because I'm not really willing to enroll for the entire program. However, I just have a specific concern, which at the moment, at the urgency, something which I say is I want it to be resolved. As you rightly mentioned, me, it was through the diet that it can come to a better way.
Yeah. Please fix a consultation through Ayush.
So if the same can be shared, like, I do not have the concerned person's details, so I can get in touch with you at your clinic and maybe you can help me with this in a better way. Because as I said rightly, I'm just done with having too much of antibiotics.
And antibiotics won't help. They will only complicate it further. What's your good name?
From past 3 months, I'm having antibiotics.
Yeah, what's your
now
good name?
I just don't want to.
What's your good name?
I'm sorry?
आपका नाम क्या है?
My name is Kritika.
Kritika. Fine, Kritika. So I think you can leave your number in the group and Ayush or somebody from the team will get in touch with you.
Certainly. Certainly.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank
Hello.
you.
Hello.
Thank
I'm Aparna
you.
here, doctor. I'm Aparna here.
Hi, Aparna.
Okay. I'm having a severe problem of reflux, acid reflux problem. Then I have gastritis problem also. And I get this reflux problems too much of a reflux problem when I eat gluten things or any of the sprouts or pulses.
Right. So have you ever worked on your gut the way we discussed today?
No, I stopped eating gluten products and I stopped eating milk products, but like otherwise I don't know what else.
Do in a structure, Aparna. This is worth the investment. Then we can take it forward, but I assure you, you will have a complete remedy to it.
Okay, then here you will tell me about the food allergies also, if I'm allergic to actually certain foods or not.
Yes, you will find it out for yourself.
Yeah, because
This
after
is a
eating
very
certain
beautiful
foods,
program
I
in
get
terms of digestive health.
yeah, because otherwise major I don't have, but then this reflux gives me a lot of stress basically, because when I have severe reflux I get palpitation, there's a burning in my chest and all these things. Then I start feeling worried if I have a heart problem.
No, I'll tell you. So I had a patient like this who had been to a cardiologist, who had been to a neurologist, who had been to a gastroenterologist, and he came to me. And he said, Doc, and very, very close friend of mine. He said, Doc, I need a quick solution. And I said, there is nothing as quick solution. If I can find quick solutions for all such problems, I will be a multi-billionaire, not even a billionaire.
Right.
Right? There is a journey you have to travel.
Okay.
I will guide you through that journey. And what I can tell you is, as Ayush told you, I'm trained in US, from A4M. I actually work on the 5R complete approach. Okay. So it is not that, you will be left hanging in air after this program. No.
Okay.
We will take you forward. Until we do this, there is nothing we can do for gut. So if you've not done it in a structure before, hop on and take the first beautiful step for yourself.
Okay. I will. I'll get in touch with Ayush and I'll really do something.
And all the best. Do it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes.
Hello, doctor.
Hello.
Doctor, I have one more question. My daughter has a PCOS problem. Can that also be solved with this?
Oh, yes, definitely. So, see, 60-70% of PCOS girls benefit from this program. Okay. So I'll tell you, recently I had this girl who suddenly lost 13 kgs in 3 months. And for girls to lose 13 kgs in 3 months is not a joke.
Right.
And that too with no calorie counting. I think calorie counting is the biggest myth in the weight loss industry today. अगर इतना सिंपल होता weight lose या weight gain करना, तो हम सब इतने obese नहीं हो रहे होते. Right. Obesity is a more complex equation. So for PCOS, I strongly recommend this program. And I have seen some miraculous results with PCOS girls through this program.
Okay. fine.
Hello, doctor.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hello, doctor. I've got a knee pain. Can it help if I do the program with you for knee pain?
छोड़ दिए सब questions पूछ
Just a minute. Knee pain.
Yes.
आपको
Will
do
it
you have
help?
rheumatoid arthritis or you have osteo?
I am not so sure, but they just told it's wear and tear of the knee. I am 58 years old. So
see,
do
and
you
what's
think
your-
this will
and
work?
what's
help
your
me?
weight?
My weight is around 62 kg.
And what's your height?
5'4".
5'4". So 62 is
Yeah.
the ideal weight for you. You don't have to lose weight.
Maybe 1 or 2 kg is not so much weight issue, but only
Right,
I'm quite active also, but still the knee pain is there, and it is
Other than
now
knee
of
pain,
late I
yeah.
find it's more.
Other than knee pain, do you have any constipation, any acidity, any headaches, any sleep issues?
Sleep issue I have, but no other thing.
So, see, this program then will help you in sleep issues. And if sleep
Okay.
becomes better, the body will start recovering.
Okay.
Your hormones will also balance better then.
Okay.
क्योंकि अगर wear and tear हो रहा है तो it is deficiencies, it is allergies, it is toxins, it is hormonal imbalance.
Okay.
And sleep plays a critical role.
Yes. It is definitely something to do with the hormones, I feel, at this age. And I
Exactly. Yes. So sleep will improve through this program definitely.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, there are a few people who are calling for individual consultation, it seems. So do you have any advice for several people who are?
So see, unless you are very sure that you have done this program or a program exactly this, I will strongly recommend do this program first, because maybe आपको consultation के बाद भी इसी program register करवाऊंगी. Yes, if you've already done a similar program which is exactly like this, सिर्फ तभी आप अपना individual consultation book करो. For example, I understand for Mr. Raj, hyperthyroidism, he's done something like this. So fine. Kritika says fungal infection. And if she's done something like this, she might try it. But otherwise, I think go for this program because this will set your diet right. And if your diet right hogi na, you are already 60% of where you have to be. And then we can do the remaining 40%, 30%, 20%, 10% or 0%, depending on what is the outcome of this program for you. Right, Ayush?
Yes, ma'am. So I would like to pick up a few questions from the chat. Migraine we have addressed. Yeah,
yes.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Mamta ji boliye.
Yes. हाँ मैम, मैंने पहले भी ये प्रोग्राम आपका लिया था, तो अभी मेरी फ्रेंड है, उसको किडनी इश्यूज है. हाँ, हाय मैम, मैंने सेकंड में आपका कोर्स किया था और बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला.
थैंक यू.
फाइन मैम. मैम अभी मैं
मैम आपकी थोड़ा आपका आप म्यूट पे चले गए हो, अनम्यूट करो वो रेड बटन.
सॉरी. हाँ मैम, मैं आज अपने फ्रेंड के लिए पूछना चाहती हूँ, उसको किडनी इश्यूज है, उसका किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट हो चुका है और आप भी डॉक्टर डायलिसिस का बोल रहे हैं, क्या आप इससे आपके पास वैसा कोई है ट्रीटमेंट उसके लिए?
Yes, we can. She will benefit from this program and we can see कैसे उसका डायलिसिस हम कोशिश कर सकते हैं अवॉइड करने की.
मैम वो दिल्ली आके आपसे पर्सनल मिले, अगर अपॉइंटमेंट ले ले?
मैम उतने की जरूरत नहीं है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलते हैं. आप पहले उनको ये प्रोग्राम एडवाइस करिए और फिर अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो मैम के पास में आने की, क्योंकि ये सारा रिमोटली भी पॉसिबल है, तो बेकार में इनकन्वीनियंस क्यों लेनी है, सब हो सकता है ऑनलाइन.
उसका काफी मतलब प्रॉब्लम बढ़ गई है। पहले एक बार हो चुका है चेंज उसकी एक किडनी,
जी
और अब डायलिसिस
नहीं ना
का
हटाया
डॉक्टर
ममता।
रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं।
राइट, नहीं तो हमने कॉज नहीं हटाया, तब भी किडनी तो बदल दी, पर अंदर जो आग लगी हुई थी वो तो वैसी की वैसी छोड़ दी।
वही मैंने जब आपका कोर्स किया था तब फिर मैं उसको बताई कि ऐसे ऐसे gut cleaning का मैंने किया, तो हो सकता है तुम एक बार बात करो उनसे। तो वो लेती हूँ उनसे अपॉइंटमेंट लेके। फिर अभी आज जब आपका मैसेज देखी तो मैं बोली चलो मैं एक बार डायरेक्ट फेस टू फेस बात कर लेती हूँ आपसे, फिर उसको बता देती हूँ।
बिल्कुल ठीक है, एंड वेरी वेरी नाइस टू सी यू ममता।
यस मैम।
मैम
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू। अच्छा ये
So,
हम कुछ आयुष कुछ क्वेश्चंस चैट बॉक्स से ले लें।
प्लीज मैम।
जैसे पूनम इज आस्किंग, माय ब्लीडिंग डज नॉट स्टॉप, even medicine not helping, my problem increases with healthy food, headache, acute HbA1c7. So first, Poonam, you definitely have some food allergy, because the food you are allergic to, the moment you stop that food, your symptoms aggravate for few days, right? And there is a way to traverse that small track before the things settle down. ठीक है, तो फूड एलर्जीज डेफिनेटली है, आपको ये प्रोग्राम बहुत 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 हेल्प करेगा। हाँ, वंस यू हैव डन दिस प्रोग्राम, आई विल बी हैप्पी टू चेक योर हार्मोन्स एंड हेल्प यू बैलेंस देम विद नेचुरल हार्मोन्स। पर पहले आप ये करो प्रोग्राम, देयर इज नो टू वेज अबाउट इट, योर HbA1c विल कम डाउन एंड यू विल बेनिफिट अमेजिंगली। कैन पीपल विद Hashimoto's thyroiditis consume millets? Yes, in moderate quantity. सिर्फ पर्ल मिलेट है जो मैं मना करती हूँ, अदरवाइज यू कैन कंज्यूम मिलेट्स। पूनम, आई एम वांटिंग टू सी यू इन द ग्रुप, you will be my testimonial because you will really benefit. ठीक है जी? And any other questions? Any other questions, Ayush?
Sorry, I was on mute. I didn't realize.
No.
Rice millets, ये was no, none, ma'am.
Rice is allowed for IBS.
Ma'am, there are a few questions. I mean, there are people having discussion among themselves. Shang Pushpi, Nasya, Ayurvedic procedure. Is it similar to elimination diet and all?
No. This is a very science-driven, test-driven stuff, and Ayurveda doesn't do a similar thing. The science they believe in is different. It is a good science, but I trust this more.
Now, this is a very pertinent and yet funny question. How to handle inhuman behavior of the boss? How to take the vulgar stuff from the boss, which is the main cause of stress and depression?
Beautiful question. Very beautiful question. You know what? आप अगर बच्चे हो and आपके सामने एक 25-year-old guy who gyms every day comes for exercise, what will you do? या आप बिल्कुल लीन हो, 18-20 साल के, ठीक है, but you've never gone to the gym and there is a person who is 6 packs and all, वो आपको चैलेंज करता है, अगर आप मेरे साथ लड़, आप क्या करोगे? What will you do? Sakshi, join this program. You have all symptoms of fungal. Yes, what will you do? आप उस टाइम उसका चैलेंज लोगे? अगर लोगे तो मरोगे। तो आप पहले अपनी बॉडी को ट्रेन करोगे, राइट? बॉस कैसा भी है, आपको उससे ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होना है, और स्ट्रांग होने के लिए क्या होता है, हम स्ट्रेस में रह करना, वी एक्चुअली कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन आवर कॉर्टिसोल हार्मोन, एंड दैट इज द रीजन हम स्ट्रेस ले नहीं पाते। हमें कोई थोड़ा सा कुछ बोलता है एंड हम घबरा जाते हैं, हमें रोना आ जाता है, हम डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं, हम स्ट्रेस लेते हैं। तो अपने हार्मोन्स को बैलेंस करो, कोई बॉस आपकी कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता, यू कैन बी वर्स देन योर बॉस, एंड आई प्रॉमिस यू, यू विल बी एबल टू हैंडल योर बॉस वेरी वेल। वो किसी और को तंग करेगा फिर।
Right. So there is somebody who has removed non-veg and spices, and he is very, very sensitive to spices. So I suppose the
Interesting.
question,
So,
burning
sorry,
sensation when he
Ayush.
feels
Sorry.
better. I mean, so basically, burning sensation when Sarita has any kind of spice.
सो जनरली क्या होता है जब स्पाइसेस से हमें बर्निंग सेंसेशन होती है, तो मैंने अपनी प्रैक्टिस में 2-3 चीजें देखी हैं. एक, फूड एलर्जी से हमारी बॉडी में डेफिशिएंसीज आ जाती हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दोज डेफिशिएंसीज हम स्पाइसेस डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाते एंड हमें प्रॉब्लम होता है. तो फॉर सच पेशेंट्स आई डू रेकमेंड दिस प्रोग्राम. ये करने के बाद एक बार जब गट हील हो जाए, then you will be able to introduce spices slowly and steadily in your diet.
Chronic headache on a daily basis.
Please, food allergies karo. 3 weeks, 4 weeks, this program is mandatory.
Can we have wheat flour chapati or multigrain in the program?
No multigrain, no wheat flour. You can have keto atta, you can have jowar, ragi, you can have rice, oats, quinoa, besan. So there are lots and lots of options. Just don't worry about that. आप बस एक ही गोल रखो यार, मुझको ठीक होना है. Rest, I've told you 11 batches is not a less number, and not even one patient came back saying हम नहीं कर पा रहे.
मैम ये फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 2-3 चीजें हमें समझना चाहिए कि ये टेम्पररी है, 3-4 हफ्तों के लिए है. दूसरा ये कि ये एलिमिनेशन डाइट है, रेस्ट्रिक्टिव डाइट नहीं है कि सुबह ये खाना है, शाम को ये खाना है. नन ऑफ दैट इज देयर. Just that certain things you need to avoid, that's all. And rest, the entire world is your oyster. There are a bunch of recipes, bunch of options. There are people experimenting in the vast group and all of that, and they'll share their experiments. तो वो खाना दिखने में भी सुंदर होता है, खाने में तो है ही. So this is something you would like. Then Nithya is asking, is gut health responsible for stress, and stress responsible for hormonal imbalance?
Both ways. If you are stressed, gut health and hormones both will go away. If your gut is stressed, then your mind and hormones both will go away. And the place to start is gut, क्योंकि और किसी को आप दिन में इतनी बार टच करते ही नहीं हो. If you have depression, if you have anxiety, if you have mood swings, this is the easiest way to find a solution for all those problems.
Shweta, you can you share your phone number with us, Shweta Bambani. I'll reach out to you separately.
Actually, I have joined this. Hello, Ayush. I have joined this functional medicine program for my son, who is having autism.
Right.
Presently, I cannot continue the same program for my husband because I am just busy with my son actually.
Of course.
And actually, I want to know that my husband is having hiatus hernia. He was detected in 2017. We went for the endoscopy. I want to know that I'm not knowing that whether he was having the same problem from since many years, or this is caused by some other problem, some other issues are there, and this arises of this problem, hiatus hernia.
Shweta, both things can be there. Okay, if I see the reports, I will be able to tell you more. But at the end of the day, his diet needs to change for him to feel better.
Yes, yes.
And for him to stay away from problems. An elimination diet is the best diet for him. Right? And I understand you are doing a program for your son, right? So, so you can think about it a little later. Or maybe I can guide you what to do.
Actually, a few days before I was having some diet, but I kept busy myself with my kid, and so I could not concentrate upon him. Okay, then I will contact Ayush later.
And Shweta, but the thing I want to tell you is this diet doesn't need a lot of preparation.
Yes, yes.
It doesn't need, आप बेटे के लिए जो बना रहे होगे उसी में से आपके हस्बैंड का फिट हो जाना चाहिए.
Yes, yes.
He will have to avoid certain things, but you know it will happen.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay.
By the way, don't worry.
Diet will be more or less same. in autism program as well as this program.
By the way, don't worry, Dr. Ashwini and Dr. Preeti have done programs together as well. So they can very well easily exchange notes as well. Don't worry, we can accommodate both situations. Ma'am, Judith D'Souza is suffering from depression and anxiety.
Yes.
Yeah.
I answered her, and actually that answer was for her only.
Okay.
Judith, you must try this program. If food allergy or gut is at the back of it, you will see miraculous results. And I mean miraculous. You will just be amazed at how different you can feel just by changing your diet.
Ms. Jan, I suppose.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So Bhavna, I think you will need some additional treatment, but doing this diet will actually decrease the medication you will require. Because it is because the elimination diet will help you heal faster.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, just I wanted to ask, do the people with Hashimoto thyroiditis need to avoid wheat also? Wheat also?
They should avoid wheat, definitely. They have to.
But actually, otherwise, we are mainly a wheat eating community. So
you have to find better options than wheat. And in this program, that's what we are going to tell you.
Ma'am, I'll tell you what, I am one of those guys who has always grown up eating parathas and chapatis and all of that. Honestly, I hate chapatis now. I really do. And I'm not talking about this program, or I'm not trying to sell you anything. But the point is, I don't like chapatis. They are very, sticky, and it's not good. I can sense it from my mind and from my body that it's not going to be beneficial for me at all. It's like garbage, basically. That's how I sense it.
Because of the glyphosate in it. It has a lot of glyphosate. And you know what? Glyphosate from here to here burns whole of your GI system.
Okay.
And there are better options. And that's what we are going to show to you.
Tastier options. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, पराठे वगैरह सब बन जाते हैं.
हाँ, stuffed पराठा बहुत अच्छा बनता है.
So,
can I?
Yeah, actually, because if we don't eat wheat and if millets are also to be consumed in a limited quantity, so then the food doesn't, like food options won't be there, I think.
There are a lot of options. If you today write what all you eat in a month, your list will not be more than 20 things. I know for sure मेरे घर में हफ्ते में 20 से ज्यादा चीजें नहीं बनती. महीने में वही चीजें रिपीट होकर बनती हैं.
करेक्ट. तो अगर मैम व्हीट भी नहीं खाएंगे और मिलेट्स भी लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी में खाएंगे,
और चीजें डालेंगे. बहुत सी और चीजें जो अवेलेबल हैं जो डल सकती हैं.
Those are vegetarian options?
Yeah. Those are vegetarian options.
Those are, you don't worry about these things. You would get anytarian options. Whether you are, whatever tarian you are, you would get the option. Don't worry about those things.
But we are vegans, like sort of.
That's fine. So I said anytarian.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Anytarian.
Thank you.
There is no doubt of
one
option.
or last question, Ayush.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Neelu, go ahead.
Okay. Ma'am, see, since the last 1 year, I have almost lost 55 kg weight with healthy eating.
Okay, very good.
So the problem was that I used to reduce the weight, then it gains with the double capacity. But this time I followed healthy diet eating, not keto, but a good diet I have taken and early eating habits and everything. Now problem is my weight is stuck. It is not reducing. So I want to lose more 15 to 20 kg.
So maybe if you've not done elimination diet, join this program. You can lose in 3 weeks about 3 to 4 kgs. Even if your plateau, moves, shifts, then you can continue with your weight loss journey for a few more months on your own, the way you did it before.
So, ma'am, one question I've read on net and everything, that if you continue this diet and everything for a long time, see, I don't do dieting very hard. I eat food, normal, all vegetables, all pulses, everything. Only 3 things I've eliminated from my diet is rice, atta, that is wheat, and sugar. That's all. Otherwise, I'm taking everything which is available in this world. I'm a pure vegetarian. Okay, so the problem is that, is it true that your liver get destroyed? Or I was Googling and all that.
If you don't do it in a healthy way, yes.
Okay.
But if you do it in a healthy way, then you will only get healthier, younger, fitter, beautiful.
Yeah, I am feeling very, very energetic. And for me, getting sleep is very, very, I have to make my body very, very, tired, and then only I'll get sleep. And when I sleep, I get up like an alarm has been fit in my body.
Perfect. So if your goal is only to lose weight, we can help you in this program. Hop on and learn some new tricks of weight loss.
Okay, so how can I contact you?
So you can reach out.
You can reach out to me. My name is Ayush, and I'm sharing my phone number again in the chat, as well as 9717333655. You can call me. And if you want to join the program, we have shared the links, not just here, but also in the WhatsApp groups. Hopefully, if you're part of it, you can.
Do you have any site or something where I can go?
Yeah. So just have a look at the group chat. So we have a website, we have our, all kinds of links and everything. So you can go through all of this. Go through the information, and whenever you're comfortable, you
So,
can.
ma'am, it would really help out. If I'll discuss you in detail, right? So I think discussing will not have any consultation charges. And if I feel better, then I can join the program. That is my choice.
You can discuss it with Ayush, and he will be able to guide you.
Okay. Because I will share all the details, how I did it, and then only you can.
मैम आप मुझे एक फोन कॉल कर सकते हो नीलू जी, कोई इशू नहीं है. मैंने आपको नंबर शेयर किया है. You can call me.
You are here from Yellow Squash programs, right?
Correct.
Okay, fine. I'll call you. So what is the suitable time one can call you?
You can call me anytime. So that's as the diet is vegetarian, so is my time.
Okay, fine. Okay, thanks a lot.
Great, Ayush. Thank you.
Oh, ma'am, one last question, please.
Yes, please. Last question.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, I have been suffering from hyperacidity and IBS since last 1 year, but now I'm in a much better state. So what happened, like last year, I changed my food habits, and I followed that only for around 1 or 1.5 months. And then I started getting relief. So I lost month after month, I started losing weight, and I lost around 10 kgs of weight in that process. So small precautions in food and weight loss was more. And then after reaching a certain level, it stopped. But now I'm observing that my body has become very sensitive, and small change in food, my body needs, I have observed that it needs rice and carbohydrates and all, because if I eat sprouts and all, or if I eat something light, or there is disturbance in sleep or stress, I have reduced my weight getting down, ma'am. How can I come out of this?
Join the program.
Yeah.
Why I'm saying that is that, during the program, you get 4 opportunities to share what is happening with you. And I get 4 opportunities to guide you what more you can do.
Okay.
And of course, something has changed in the gut microbiome, which we need to resettle again.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Perfect. So Ayush,
Right,
can
ma'am.
I leave now?
Yes, ma'am. Of course. So I thank you, ma'am, for your time. Guys, I'll be here. So if you have any pending questions, you can stay.
Bye-bye and good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So those of you who are interested in the program, have any kind of queries, please share your phone numbers. Any of you who have not responded to the polls yet, please make sure that you do. Whether you want to join the program or not, if you can help us understand that, we'll act accordingly. बाकी आप लोगों के कोई और सवाल हो तो प्लीज मेरे से पूछ सकते हैं. We are towards the end of the session anyways. So I'll just wait for a couple of minutes in case anybody wants to ask anything.
Mamta Singhi ji, there's a small request if you could share your experience with others here. You have done this program, I think.
हेलो.
हाँ, या नीतू गो
आ रही है बाबू आवाज?
हाँ जी आ रही है. आप कुछ सवाल पूछना चाह रहे हो नीतू जी?
जी मेरा किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट जी मेरा किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट हुआ है
जी
2013 में. अभी मेरा क्रिएटिनिन फिर से बढ़ गया तो डॉक्टर ने फिर डायलिसिस.
जी निधि, protein metabolization, do you want to take this up?
Sorry, I could not hear.
So she has had kidney transplant. She was better for a little bit. फिर उसके बाद उनका अभी creatinine levels recently फिर से बढ़ना शुरू हो गया.
So I think ma'am has already answered this. The root cause we need to identify because kidney transplant has not resolved the root cause. So basically, this program will help you find out the root cause.
See, point ये है मैम कि
guided for way forward in the final consultation with Dr. Preeti.
अब जैसे एक क्लू देता हूं मैं, क्योंकि कोई एक स्पेसिफिक कारण नहीं होता. हम सभी लोगों को, I mean those of you who are here and still listening, see why we have this kind of a program is that let's say let's talk about ma'am's condition. Kidney transplant का situation है, creatinine levels are increasing. Now, creatinine levels may increase because of many reasons. One of the reasons could be protein metabolization ठीक तरह से नहीं हो पा रहा है. And one of the situations could be that your stomach acid getting released is not enough or does not have enough potency. तो वो protein breakdown ही नहीं हो पा रहा है stomach के अंदर. Another reason could be there could be a situation with gut microbiome itself. Yet another situation could be related to hormones. Yet another, there are so many of them. So which is why there has to be a process wherein we can observe you for a prolonged period. We can understand your relationship with food and several other things. And which is where and which is how and why we will be able to determine what thing should be a root cause and how to eliminate that root cause so that you can be permanently out of that situation. So and this is a guidance to whoever is listening again. When you are into such a webinar, whether Yellow Scotch or anybody else's webinar, the wrong question is, this is my problem, how do I get relieved? The right question is, this is my problem, how are you going to understand and rectify? So basically, the thought process and the logical flow is important. And if that resonates with you, then go with the flow, whichever kind of program it is. बट अगर आप ये कहो कि मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम है और मेरे को सोल्यूशन अभी बताओ, ये ऐसी कोई चीज है ही नहीं. सो एनीबडी हु इज गिविंग यू अ सोल्यूशन देन एंड देयर इज ऑब्वियसली फूलिंग यू. दैट कैन नॉट हैपन. So Deepa, is functional medicine helpful in chronic psychological disorders like OCD? Yes, there are people with OCD and kleptomania, etc., who have joined in the past. So yes, so people have benefited. Any kind of a mental health disorder. Now again, Deepa, we need to understand that mental health is 70% dependent on our gut microbiome health. So whether it is OCD or whether it is seizures related situation or whether it is a situation wherein let's say you are having any other kind of disorder related to your mental health, and you say autism, for example, or even Down syndrome for young children and so on. So those kind of situations also, I'm not saying something would cure you, but until unless you look at functional medicine's approach. And why functional medicine is that because it's the best way to look at how a connected body works in the case of whatever situation you are dealing with, whether it is a hormone, whether it is an enzyme imbalance, whether it is a gut microbiome imbalance, whether it is toxicity, whether it is heavy metals, whether you require chelation, whatever it is, we can peel off layer by layer. Unnecessarily, if you go for allopathic medicine, nephrologist, for example, in your case, ma'am, or psychologist or psychotherapist or psychiatrist or whoever, neurosurgeon or whoever it is, basically, problem may not be in the brain, problem could be somewhere else. And that can be done by somebody who is specializing into a field which is joining dots by connectivity and this biochemical flow of or functioning of body, which is what functional medicine does beautifully, which is why we are promoting more and more programs through functional medicine. We believe that allopathy probably would be relegated to only symptomatic treatments and surgeries, and there will be many other alternate therapies, functional medicine being at the forefront of it possibly, and many others, which would be required and useful for different kinds of treatments, including the ones that you mentioned. I hope I was able to answer. Any other questions you can type in, or you can unmute yourself and you can ask directly.
For cancer affected patients also, if this works?
Ma'am, cancer is such a drastic situation. See, some functional medicine doctor, cancer is beyond the scope of this particular program. So I'm not discussing cancer in that sense. But
who have recovered from that?
No, I don't know. We have not looked at cancer is a potential area that we'll tackle. So honestly, the honest answer is I don't know. What I know is there are 2 or 3 things which could be helpful for cancer. One is Siddha, which is what we are looking into specifically for cancer. And functional medicine may help in certain kind of cancers, not all of them. So, but unless we are confident, we would not be promoting any program.
Okay.
But as discussed, the progression usually is in several kinds of cancers. We start with dysbiosis, which is imbalance in the gut, and we move towards leaky gut and allergies and different kinds of hormonal imbalance leading to autoimmune conditions leading to cancer. So this is the way the body progresses usually for several kinds of cancer, not all of them.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
What about my problem?
आपका प्रॉब्लम क्या है मैम? आप थोड़ा
जी
रिमाइंड
मैं ये बोला था वो नेफ्रो के लिए कि मेरा क्रिएटिनिन जो 9 हो गया, एक्चुअली मेरा वीडियो ऑफ हो गया था।
हाँ।
तो मैं दिल्ली आऊंगी तो क्या है कोई?
नहीं, दिल्ली आने की जरूरत नहीं है, सब ऑनलाइन हो जाएगा मैम। पहला स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलते हैं। मेरी राय ये होगी, बाकी आपको जैसे ठीक लगे हम लोग वैसे करने को तैयार हैं। मतलब एटलीस्ट
मेरा डायलिसिस बोल रहे हैं तो मुझे डिले करना एक्चुअली, ताकि ना करना पड़े। एक बार ट्रांसप्लांट हो गया तो थोड़ा कंडीशन बेटर हो जाए तो बेटर हो।
वो होगी। देखिए मैं वही कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि जैसे फर्ज करिए आपको प्रोटीन मेटाबॉलिज्म में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, क्रिएटिन लेवल हाई हो रहा है आपका, ठीक है? तो अब प्रोटीन मेटाबॉलाइजेशन क्यों आपका सही से नहीं हो पा रहा है वो समझना जरूरी है। स्टमक का एसिड सही से नहीं बन रहा। मैं आप ही का एग्जांपल दे रहा था, स्टमक का एसिड सही से नहीं बन पा रहा। हाँ, तो वो चीज हम इस प्रोग्राम से पता लगा सकते हैं, और कोई आसान तरीका भी नहीं है, इसका कोई टेस्ट है ही नहीं।
जी
इन चीजों का कोई टेस्ट नहीं है ऑब्जर्वेशन के सिवा। तो अब सिम्टोमेटिकली ही लोगों को समझना पड़ता है और एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन की बेसिस पे समझना पड़ता है। आपके केस में हमारा एडवाइस यही होगा, जो कंसल्टेशन एंड में है वो उस कंसल्टेशन को आप शुरू में करा लेना, और उस कंसल्टेशन की बेसिस पे आपका वीक 2 से किसी तरह के न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल्स के ट्रीटमेंट को शुरू कर देंगे ताकि आपको जल्दी आराम मिले। आपके पास में रिपोर्ट्स वगैरह होंगी ना, और ऑलरेडी आप किसी तरह के डाइट पे होगे, आई सपोज, आई एम अज्यूमिंग।
जी उन्होंने लो सॉल्ट, लो प्रोटीन, लो पोटाशियम सभी चल रहे हैं।
हाँ, तो मैम आप, इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आप प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन कर लो, कंसल्टेशन शुरू में करके उस हिसाब से कर लेंगे। So the consultation thing, by the way, whosoever is remaining, just let me complete, ma'am. Consultation thing is flexible, so it is towards the end. But people having very serious disorders, as ma'am is having dialysis को delay करना चाह रही है, we can have the consultation towards the beginning, because they already would be following certain kind of diet, which would be very similar to what elimination diet is. Yeah, go on. Radhika, you wanted to ask something? All right. So anybody else, any other questions? ठीक है. So no other questions. So anybody who is interested or who has queries or whatnot, please, if you are still haven't shared your phone numbers, please do so. If you're not responded to the post, please do so. And my number, I am one last time I'm repeating and typing in. Do not hesitate in calling me and discussing your situation. 9717-333-655. So I'm not a doctor or anything, and I don't want to be a doctor. I never wanted to be a doctor, but I've talked to so many thousands and thousands of people. I know a little bit about certain things, so maybe I can help you. So you can talk to me, and whatever is, we have programs for many things. I won't say anything and everything, but we have programs for several things. So whichever program you are suited to, we'll guide. All right. Deepika ji, you unmuted yourself. You have a question? Otherwise, I'm closing the session. ठीक है. So all right guys, thank you. आप लोगों से बहुत जल्द मुलाकात होगी. I hope. आप लोगों से बहुत जल्दी मुलाकात होगी. I hope the program begins on a Thursday, so we have a little bit of time. We have some time to think. But if you want to avail the financial benefit, which is very small, $500, but अगर लेना चाहो तो आप इसी समय register करो तो बेहतर. बाकी आप लोगों को pending सवाल हो, you can definitely reach out to me. All right. The recording, by the way, would be shared in the WhatsApp group. So anybody who has not joined it, please do. Good night and goodbye. Thank you. Namaste.